Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'm going to introduce you to the new Milwaukee M18 fuel hammer drill driver. Milwaukee claims that this is the most powerful hammer drill driver in its class. The drill can drill 2 9/16" holes in wood with self-feed bits. It's only 6.9 inches in length, making it the most compact in its class. It has a 1/2 inch all-metal chuck with carbide teeth for excellent durability, grip, and bit retention. It has a mechanical chuck with 16 settings so that you can get just the right amount of power for your application. It also has settings for drilling and hammer drilling. Its maximum RPM is 2100, the peak torque is 1400 inch-pounds, and it can achieve up to 2100 blows per minute. It also has a very bright LED light, a belt hook, and it has a 2-speed transmission. It comes with a 10.5-inch handle. Okay, it's time to see what this baby will do. I have 4 different drill bits. This is a 1-inch ship auger bit made by Milwaukee, and I'll be making 3 holes with the ship auger bit, 1 inch, and then here I have a Milwaukee hole dozer. It's 1 3/4 inch. Here I have a Milwaukee big Hawg, and it's got carbide teeth, and I'll be making a hole with that. And then here's a 2 9/16" self-feed SwitchBlade bit. This one's also by Milwaukee, so I'll be making a hole with that. I have it set to number 2, and it's on drill. So here goes. Okay, so that's the 1-inch ship auger bit. This is the hole dozer. Whew. There you go. This is the big Hawg. Woo! That was in speed 2. That's great. Okay, now this is the switchblade bit. This is the one I'm not sure whether I can use speed 2 or I will need to turn it down to speed 1. I really don't know. It's a brand new drill. I'm not too experienced with it, so I'm going to leave it on speed 2. But if it stalls, I'll turn it back down to speed 1. All right, here we go. Okay, we're going to put that on speed 1. This is a big hole, 2 9/16. Speed 1 will do it. There you go. That was speed 1 with a 2 9/16" self-feed switchblade bit. Now I have inserted a 3/8" concrete bit, and I've put the drill on hammer drill, and let's see what it can do drilling in concrete. That's 1 inch deep. This drill also features something Milwaukee calls auto stop control mode, and that offers enhanced safety for the operator by preventing over rotation in a bind-up. In conclusion, I think this is a really nice drill. It's great for an electrician or a plumber. It has excellent power, really good features, It's comfortable to use, and it's not so expensive as a joist and stud drill, but it has the power to drill a lot of the larger holes. Currently, the bare tool is running about $199, and the kit is running about $299. The kit, which includes the new M18 hammer drill driver and the impact driver, along with two 5 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a case, is running about $399. I'll put links for the bare tool and the kits in my video description. I'll also put links for the new Milwaukee M12 tools and for the new SHOCKWAVE kits that give you all the bits and drill bits that you probably need. I'll also put links for the Milwaukee DOZER, Big Hawg, and SwitchBlade bits. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.